If you want to remove a payment method from your Agoda account, follow these simple steps to ensure your information is updated. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Agoda website or open the Agoda app and log in using your registered email and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found in the top right corner of the screen under your profile icon. Step 3. Go to Payment Methods. In the Account Settings menu, look for the section labeled Payment Methods or Payment Information. Click on this option to view your saved payment methods. Step 4. Select the payment method. Find the payment method you wish to remove. There should be an option next to it to edit or delete the payment information. Step 5. Confirm removal. Click on the Delete or Remove option and confirm your choice when prompted. This will ensure that the payment method is successfully removed from your account. After completing these steps, your payment method will be removed from Agoda. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Agoda's customer support for assistance.